65% of Scotland's rivers flow without the shade of riparian trees. Exposed to direct sunlight, bare river banks dry out and waters warm, threatening species like salmon. Restoring riparian forests with native vegetation filters sunlight and casts shade, helping to regulate temperature and light across riverbanks and water surfaces. FLECT is a research project developing an interactive tool to make environmental knowledge more accessible and to support broader participation in river restoration. Designed for communities, landowners and decision makers, FLECT helps to bring hidden trade-offs to light. The game engine technology allows users to instantly visualize how restored river landscapes will look and function in the future. Users can explore how landscapes evolve over time, guided by dynamics of native plant communities, and each scenario is grounded in real geography using GIS data to reflect actual terrains, land use and catchment conditions. You can help us improve and refine FLECT by taking part in our interviews and trials. Your insights will guide its developments and ensure it reflects real-world needs.